this project I'm going to create a course tracker, amazing course tracker, and it will be a big project with it's a full stack app with React, Airtable and Netlify. So this kind of apps are very famous nowadays with CMS, and you don't need to go all the way. So content management system, and for that we are going to use amazing Airtable. So let's get started. Let me start sharing my screen. Okay, hope you are able to see my screen. Actually, I have created just this app by npx and create React app, but I think even before that I need to go to airtable.com. Okay, so let me do it here. Airtable.com. So this is the amazing site through which we are going to create the backend. Okay, so I have already logged in. If you are not logged in, you can log in, and then after that I already have some of them. So even I have this for course tracker also. I'll create here and I'll do start from scratch, and then I can give any color, means which is not there. So yeah, so I have to give this some name. So course tracker is always there. So tracker course, how is that name? Tracker course. Okay. Tracker course is good. Okay, tracker course is good. You can go do it by course tracker, because I have already created with the course tracker, so that's the reason. Okay, I hope all of you are able to hear me. Okay, sometime I need to check this thing. Okay, so after that, what is happening? We are getting this. So it is like a database structure. They are giving us a nice database structure. They are giving us. So we will rename all these 4 fields which they have given us. So the first thing is that click on this little arrow, this, and do this customize field type. We have to go and we'll give it a name, small thing, save it, single line text is okay. Then the second one will be customize this, and it will again be a single line text, and it will be called link. And then the third one will be called tags, and it is a multiple select, and colored option it is giving. And here I have to add some of the things, okay, which the course I want to do all those things. So add a option, I'll go and let me put a JavaScript, React Native, Node, DevOps. Okay, so this all I'll do, and I'll click on the save. And the last one is purchased, and it will be a checkbox. Where is the checkbox? Yeah, there is the checkbox. Style and all is okay. So this all 4 will be there. So next I will add some of the courses. We are not going to do that much post and all those things. So next I will going to add some courses which I wanted have taken or I wanted to take. So let us put some of them. And first let me put, okay, so let me do one thing. web development boot camp. Okay, let us find some courses from Udemy. Yeah, my Udemy course. Link tag we have to add like JavaScript. Okay, so second, let me go to my other courses. Okay, and what we want to do, we want to React.js course we want to do. So I do have all this course. If you want to, please do check it. Okay, so here I have to do React. Then I want to do another React course, which is this React Bootcamp, which is the recordings of the 2-day bootcamps which I took recently, 2-day mini bootcamp. So React.js mini bootcamp. Another again React. Then let me go to youtube.com. I know it is not something which is Sandeep Das. Actually, I want to do DevOps course, and I want to do DevOps course from him, and he have a paid YouTube thing. So I am subscription for that because he is one of the best guys for DevOps. So let me put that only. Okay, simplified DevOps. Simplified DevOps. And here maybe DevOps. Yeah, so this is all right. So now we need to get our API keys, so that here it is done. Something else I need to do. Okay, here instead of this tables I need to rename table. Let me rename it courses, or else we have to take by table one name, so which is not a good thing. So we will rename it to tables. And now how to get the API? Okay, for the API we have to go to this API. So see, this is a complete your backend solution. This CMS Airtable, it's a very good thing to do this with Airtable, and they have got a very good free plan also. So I'm working on the free plan only. So this tracker course I have just created, so I will click on it, and then my introduction only will be there, and I have to click on this. Okay, I will click on it anyways because I'm going to delete this after this, so there will be no issue. So show API key. So it will show the API key of the base, and all this I have to use. So after this I have to go and the create React app with this command. So as always this, so I have created with this, and it generally take 10-15 minutes. And so okay, so this is created, I am inside it. So the thing is that okay, okay, 1 sec. Okay, so let us do some installation. npmi bootstrap at 4. 4 is generally better than 5. Okay, bootstrap at 4 Airtable and .env. So let me do it earlier only. Okay, okay, so it is done. Let me open it with my VS Code. So I have opened it with VS Code. Okay, so now what we have to do? So let me create a .env file which will contain all of our things, all of our variables. So here again I have to show some API keys. Okay, it is okay, not an issue. Okay, so they have two things. One is the base ID and one is the API key. So I have to do both of them. Okay, here table API key equal to, and here table. Let me increase the font size a bit. I think this much font size is more than enough. Airtable base ID equal to, and Airtable table name equal to. So as you might have as I have done earlier, so where is it? Okay, I have gone ahead of that. Oh, no problem. So it was courses, I think. Yeah, because I changed it to courses, so that was like that. And now I let me quickly copy this. So one is this, your base ID. So this is that base ID. So let me copy the base ID, and let me copy my API keys also. Okay, so I've copied all of those things. Now I will go to the index.js here, and here I have to import the bootstrap because I have already installed the bootstrap, but I have to import bootstrap also to use it. Import bootstrap dist css bootstrap.css. I'll do save it. Now in the app.js we want to render a course form component. So our course form component needed to be rendered here. So from here we will come, and in the components let us make a course form component. So we don't have a component, so components folder will be there. Here we'll have a course form.js rafe. We save it. Now we are going to use it here, and remove all these things. Okay, removed all these things, and here the class name will be container empty 5 and a logo we are not using anymore. Let me remove it. Okay, course form will come h1 dot margin bottom 5. So we are using all bootstrap thing dot text center. Why is it not coming? h1 dot mb5. Oh, why emit is not working? h1. Wow, it is showing some weird stuff. h1 in order to come course tracker class name equal to mb5 text center. Okay, course form component I'm going to take, and course form is done. Save it. And in course form we are going to send something, so let me also make it now. Course added equal to load courses, and this load courses will be a function const. Load courses means we are going to do a callback function like this. Load process will be like this. Now we have created the course form already, so let us work on that. So here we are going to have the complete form and first let us get that course added. Course added, welcome, const name comma set name equal to use state like this. User state is imported, and then the second one will be const link comma set link equal to use state of empty string again, and then const submit course equal to like this. Now let us have some basic styling. So again the bootstrap styling will be there. One thing which I have not done, still doing the npm start. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it is looking like this. Okay, we're going to use those things. Okay, div class name equal to card, sometimes this gets too much auto suggestion, and this is done by tab 9 dot. I don't know why it is not working. Card, let me see. Header, yeah, I have to change some emit thing, because I'm recently taking this laptop. There will be some video coming for that, this also. Okay, so the emit settings are not working. See, actually it might be set to some other language, not this div. So got something nice. Add a new course like this, and then class name equal to card header. So used to emit div class name equal to card body. Card header, after that card body is there. And inside this card body we'll have a form, and in the form we'll have on submit equal to submit course, and here div class name equal to form group, label is name, and HTML for is name. I don't want any call or something. HTML for is a name. Okay, and then we are going to have the input box. Okay, input type equal to text, name is name, and value equal to name, and class name equal to form control, because in Bootstrap world we always take it like this. Okay, do it like this, and here on change equal to e. So this is how we do it. Set name is e dot target dot value. This is how we do it. Okay, so this is done. Then this form group is here. Let me have another form group. And this form group will be having the name of link, 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 and set link target value. Okay, so after this div is done, then we are going to come here, and then we are going to have a button submit type equal to submit, class name equal to btn primary. Okay, now we have done. Save it, and now it is showing perfectly with the Bootstrap thing. Okay, so next we'll render a tags component in the course form so that we can select the tags. So let us do that. Okay, so first thing will come here, const tags comma set tags equal to use state of not this but empty string and const count comma set count equal to use state of 0, and then after that, after this two form groups, and before the button I will have another form group. Okay, so div div will be there, and p tag will be tags, class name is form group. So we are going to make some tags now. So tag, as I've told, tags will be another component. So let us make a tags component also, which is tags dot js. Let me do RAFCE so that I can use it. So let me go back, and here after this tags L2, and let me see whether it is imported. Tags is imported, and tags updated equal to set tags and key equal to count. Okay, so this set tags is there and the key is the count. Okay, so this is coming like this. We save it. Now we will complete the tags in the component folder. So this tags we are going to complete. Okay, so import React from React, it is there and all. And what we are going to get? We are going to get two props. One is this tags updated, comma key this, then const tag choices. So this will be the same choices which we have, tag choices. If I want, I should look into it. Do one thing. So okay, JavaScript, React, Node, and DevOps. So these are the tags which we have. So we'll be having a node, comma JavaScript, comma React, comma React Native, comma DevOps, and this is the things. Then const selected tags, comma set selected tags equal to use state of empty, and const tag change equal to this, an object. Okay, so after this written, I have come, and here let me go through the this tag choices. Let me loop through the tag choices. This tag choices dot map choice comma index, and it will be label class name equal to check box inline mr3 key is index, okay, and inside this I am going to have a input type equal to checkbox, value equal to choice, and on change equal to tag change. Okay, some space I'm leaving, so that's why I have given like this, and that and the choice we are going to show. Okay, so this choice is this. Okay, this is giving error because of what that I was thinking. Choice is this. Okay, so this will be shown like this. Okay, so now we will create a course list component. Okay, so let us do that. Is course list dot js. I'll do RAFCE. I'll do save it, and then we have to go to the app.js where we are calling the course form, and here I'm going to call the course list. I have to add the course list, and here like this, courses equal to courses refresh courses equal to load courses. Okay, after this const courses comma set core courses equal to use state, import it, use state, and it will be an empty array. Then const load courses equal to like this, a function which we are soon going to create. Okay, so this also is done. Set courses is also done, and load courses is also done, and courses is also done. So courses and this thing, load courses are going in the props. So let me save it. Now it's time to create the course list.js. Where is the course list.js? So course list.js is here, and after this, what we are going to do, first we are going to get the props, and here the props we are going to get is courses comma refresh courses. So refresh courses is here refresh courses. Okay, now let us put it h2. So it is not working for me. h2 to learn class name equal to mt5 mb3. Div is not working again. div div and class name equal to list group courses dot filter course not of course dot per chscd purchased. Okay, so filter I'll do the first filter based on that, and let me move it down actually like this, so it will be looking good. And after this filter I'm going to have a map of course, and it will be sent to there is going to be another component known as course component, which we are soon going to create. So it will go to that urse course equal to course, and then key equal to course dot id, and this refresh courses is there. Refresh courses equal to refresh courses, still giving error, so I have to do it like this. Okay, so refresh courses is done. Courses is not imported, but we have actually not even created it. Import course from course. Okay, yeah, so this div is done. h2 class name equal to mt5 mb3 already purchased, and here it will be exactly similar to this earlier one, so which is already purchased. So let me copy this. So see this filter dot course, it will be course purchased, not purchased, and it will be like this. Refresh course key course id, everything will be gone like this only. So next thing is that we have to create this course. Come here, course.js I'll do, and here the first thing RAFCE I'll do. Okay, and here we'll again have like two course comma refresh courses we are going to have. Then after that const mark course purchased equal to like this, const delete course equal to like again class name equal to list group item and okay in, in tags, where is the tags? Okay, it is not selected tags, it is as you might know, it is always set selected tags. It is always like that. They have some error. Use state is not defined. Yeah, I know. I should have seen this. Use state is not defined. Use state is defined. Yeah, to learn and already purchased. It is coming nice. So where we are in the course. So anchor tag href equal to course dot link, and here h4 class name equal to list group item heading, and it will be course dot name. H4 will be done here, and then anchor tag is done. Then now we are going to have a p tag, and in the p tag I don't want this much auto suggestion. Tags is bit of like this, and then this course is coming. So this course we are going to map through it. Course dot tags, and so it should be there. Course dot tags dot map, and in the map we'll be having tag comma index and span class name equal to badge primary mr2 key equal to index tag span is there. Okay, this p is done, and the other is, so this tags and the p tag is done. After that, not of course dot purchased is there, then sometime, and then okay, there will be a button with a class name equal to btn sm btn primary, and on click equal to not be delete course. Of course, on click will be mark course purchased, and purchased will be there, and this is ending here, and then button, class name button sm button danger ml2 on click will be equal to delete course, delete button is done. Okay, now the front end, let me see if the front end I have some error. No, I don't have any error in the front end. So now it's time to go to the back end, so which is actually a serverless function inside Netlify. Okay, so for that we have to create the, so as I've told, this is for Airtable and Netlify is also there. Okay, not Netflix, it is Netlify, which is a popular hosting platform. Okay, so for that we are going to use the serverless function from there, so it is not that easy to do this thing. So it is not like Firebase and all. So for that we have to create a function. So again we have to do it from our code only, and after that we are going to do. So for that, let me go back here and close some of them. Okay, so okay, okay, okay. So for that, what we are going to do here in the src, even in the above src, we are going to add a new folder, functions, because this is different than our src. So here we are going to create functions. Okay, and in the functions directory we have to create a file courses.js. I'm going to create courses.js. I have created, and then now we are going to have all these things. Okay, soon we are going to create some helper functions. So let us import those helper functions first. Okay, so these are the helper functions which we are going to create soon. There is a helper folder here itself, and we are going to do that. Okay, and that after that we are going to do a exports dot handler equal to a sync event if event dot http method get return await get courses. So this we are going to create and get courses event. We have to give like this, else if event dot http method equal to, as you might have guessed, it is post, then instead of get course we will have create course with event. Let me have this else if two more times. So event.http method dot After post we'll have the put, and it is create course, it will be update course. So after this, after the put, we'll have delete, and this will be delete course. Okay, and the single one will be else return formatted return 405 comma empty object, like this. Okay, okay, I think I've done something wrong. So this create course, delete course, update course. So it is courses, it is okay. We're going to get a lot of courses. So now it is okay. So next what we need to do, next we need to create a okay, and this all things also we need to create. We'll come back to it, but let us create this helper folder we'll create, and inside the helper folder we are going to create this. So in the function we are going to have a helpers folder, and inside that return .js, get courses .js, create course .js, delete course .js, update course .js. So this all are done. Now what we need to do, we need to have a function known as netlify.toml, and that would be in the root directory. So as I am told, we are going to use netlify, so we are going to have this here, netlify.tuml. so this file is required, and this will have some code netlify.toml which we have to write. Okay, like this it will have. So build it will be there, a function redirects to API, and Netlify function splat, something we need to do, and it is done. Now one thing which we need to install is to install the Netlify CLI globally. So let us do that, because it's a new system. I don't have Netlify CLI, so let me do it here only, so that okay. So Netlify CLI globally. Anyways, it will not install here, it will install it globally. So let it get installed. Okay, so it is installed. So next we have to come here, and inside our helpers we have to create a where is the helper? Okay, helpers is here. We have to create a airtable.js. This is which will be connected, airtable.js file we have to create inside the helpers only, and it is a bit of like a Node.js code, require .env .config. So what we are doing here, so that environment file we are using it, .env.config, and then var airtable equal to require airtable, and then var base equal to new Airtable API key is process dot env dot Airtable API key, so which we have done. So this is that API key, and dot base. So this dot env we have taken it. It is giving us access to all these things. Okay, so base we are going to take process dot env dot Airtable table base id. We are going to do Airtable base id. Yeah, so Airtable base id is done. After this, const table equal to base of process dot env Airtable table name. So this all we have given in the .env file at the starting. Okay, and then module dot exports equal to table. It's done. Save it. Now we are going to write the functions which we have created earlier. So the first thing is that there is a formatted return which we are using somewhere, means we are going to use. So formatted return is there. So this is just a function to stringify the body. So let us write it. So module dot exports equal to status code comma body and return like status code comma body JSON dot stringify and body. Okay, JSON dot stringify body. Okay, now the first thing which we are going to do is the get courses we are going to do, which is there. So let us do that. Const table equal to require air table and const formatted return equal to require formatted return. So this formatted return we are just put it. Okay, so module dot exports equal to a sync event. Okay, so let us have a try catch here. Try const courses equal to await table dot select comma first page and return formatted return 200 courses. Okay, so this is how we select the table. In the table we are going to select like this, and let us have a catch here, catch of a Okay, cl console. Okay, console dot error of or, and then return formatted return 500 comma msg something went wrong, save it, and then this is done. So now all these things are done, but now we want to start the React with Netlify from the terminal. So I don't know whether this will start. So we are going to use this Netlify dev. Okay, so Netlify dev. Okay, it is working. So instead of npm start, I am starting Netlify dev. So that is very important. Env file also it got, and it is some, or it is okay, this link is not available and all this is okay, that is not an issue. Okay, but the main thing is that this is been done in a different port. Okay, not this thing. So our app is now running on this and it is working exactly fine. So this is the main thing. Okay, so this is how we will talk to the, this is what the serverless function is all about. Yeah, I know the effort is more than a Firebase. Okay, effort is more than a Firebase, but it is less than creating your own server from the scratch. Okay, okay, but yeah, so from here only, see here it is there, and if I do, okay, let me do one thing, API slash courses. Yeah, everything is right and it is showing me the courses. Okay, it is showing me the courses. Well, all these courses are being shown. I don't have some JSON formatter, I think, here. Let me do one thing. Yeah, this is Windows 11. I just got Windows 11. I think I have JSON formatter here. Yeah, I have a JSON formatter here. That's good. So the JSON formatter is here. So this is, we got access to our API endpoint, API slash courses and all, name and all these things are there. Okay, so all these things are made. So now let us go back, and in the get courses will come here, and the first page is there, and here we don't want the whole data, so we want a bit of it, so we don't want this whole thing. Okay, so let us do some formatting, and now const formatted courses equal to courses dot map. So it's an array of object, so you are course, and it will give us. So what we are going to do, we are going to change each of them in an object. Like this, id is course dot id, and dot course dot fields. Like this we have to do. Okay, so all the fields we are taking, rest of the fields. So these fields, we want these fields to be there. Course.id, we are making an object with the id and the fields, which is in this object of array, something like that. So we are taking that, and instead of this courses, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass this format that it is not looking good, courses. courses, save it. Now let us come back to our API endpoint. Let's refresh it. See, now it is coming like this, and it is showing such a wonderful ID and the link name tags and all those things are there. In an array of object, all those things are there, so it is coming good. So let us complete our create courses file now. Okay, so create course, format return Airtable courses is okay. Now we are going to this create course we are going to do, and here also means let me do one thing. Let me copy, a lot of it will be same. Okay, that's the table formatted async, but since it is create course and not get course, so it will be const fields, because we are passing something. Okay, fields equal to json dot parse event dot body we are going to pass, and then const. Here I don't want this thing. It is created course equal to, it is not select, it is create fields will be like this, and return formatted return 200, and this created courses will be there, and something 500 message. Okay, something went wrong is okay. Created course is okay, and then so we don't have any post. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to do a postman, but I don't think I have in this new system. This is a new system. Okay, do I have? But when did I install it? Okay, I never installed it actually. I think this came inbuilt, so I got a new laptop. Okay, so this courses is there. Post, I'm going to do here post, then body I'll do, and as usual raw I'll do. This will be JSON, application JSON, and then we have to pass some data with I think I can copy this if it is allowing me. It will be good if it allows me to copy it. I don't have to type it manually. It is allowing me to copy. So ID we don't require actually. Okay, ID we don't require. Okay. Let us have the names at the top. Let us have more tags here. I'm going to have a JavaScript, React, comma, Node. Its name will be build a TikTok clone, and I'll take it from my YouTube channel, in which you might be watching this, because you might be watching this on LinkedIn also. Okay. So maybe this one I'll take. Welcome to the. Yeah, and if you want to make a TikTok clone, you can do this. It was really cold, and cold season is coming again. So like this, hope it will work. So again, let me go. This courses is post. It is going to create course. Create course is passing the body fields it is doing, and then it is sending it. Send it, and it is done. I think, yeah, it is done. I don't want to see it as JSON. Show me as a JSON. Okay, and it is done. So now the next thing which we are to do, let me see here also. Yeah, build a TikTok clone is also done. Okay, so the next thing is which we are going to do is the update course. So again, let me come here. I'm opening it from here, I don't know why. Okay, update course is there, and again update course will be much more similar to this, I think. Okay, create course. Create course, async event formatted return is okay, and I fields, with the fields we'll have a ID also will be passing. Okay, so object destructuring, and ID comma dot fields, json dot parse event dot body up, and it will be updated course. First let me do this updated course here. Okay, updated course here 200, and table dot instead of create, so these all functions are there from Airtable update, and this it will be ID comma fields. ID comma fields will be there. ID comma fields, save it, and cache and all these things are there. And now so let us go here, and so this ID we have, so this ID will do it, copy it. Let me make it a put request. The API endpoint will be similar to that only, and we are going to pass the ID also, and the ID will be this comma build a TikTok clone, maybe with mon I'll give, and everything else will be okay. Everything else will be okay. So give the send. I don't know why it is changing. Okay, it is coming like this. Let me go here, and it is actually already done. TikTok clone with, see this mon, it is already updated. So update is also working right, and we'll do our last CRUD operation, which is delete course. Again, as you might have got, it is mostly copy paste only. So delete again from the update I will do, and as with delete we only just pass the ID and it is deleted. So ID I will do, and event.body is okay. Event.body is, let me have some spaces here, so it will be deleted course, and it is deleted course and table dot destroy id. Deleted course is table dot destroy id. Formatted course is deleted course. Okay, table dot destroy id, formatted course, just like that. Okay, so let us do the deleting. So for the delete, we'll go to this delete and can remove all of these things. This also I have to remove because this is JSON is very strict. Delete, and it is deleted, and it is giving me like this. Let me confirm. Yeah, it is deleted. Okay, so it is working fine. Now we have to connect everything from to the React frontend. So this is what we were doing in the backend thing, this all thing. So backend and frontend we created in the same project, but now as you can see, the React is also running from localhost 8888. So here I am in the front end. So in the app.js, we need to get all our courses first. So let us do that, and after the courses, this loaded courses async. Let us make it sync. So it is very easy now. Means once, because React is not that tough. Try and const res equal to await fetch slash API slash courses const courses equal to await res.json is done. Set courses we already have defined it here. Set courses equal to courses, but we got okay. Then there is the catch error console dot what is coming, console dot error is or okay. Try set courses is there. I think it is doing like this, and from here the load courses has been done. When the course list will be done, so this load courses will be called and it will be done, okay, with async await. Save it. Now next in the course form, okay, so see whether some error is not there. Okay, no error is there. Okay, so next in the course form we'll go and do the post request of all the data. Okay, so course form dot js I'm going to do, and here we have a lot of things which we have not done. Okay, const reset form equal to a reset form will be there, in which set name will be empty string, set name we have above. Set link will be again empty string. Set count will be count plus 1. Okay, and let me do it soon. This submit course will be there. Const submit course equal to sync e dot event default and try await fetch API we're going to use, then slash API slash courses comma method is post. Sometimes I don't like this thing in fetch API. The post thing is a bit longer than what we do in Axios. Okay, body, but the thing is that it is inbuilt. We don't have to install anything if I do using the fetch. JSON dot stringify name comma link comma tags, and then after this the reset form, so means after submitting the reset form will be called, and then course added will be called, and then catch error console dot error is error. Okay, let me show one thing. Name comma link, let us see what is there in it. Okay, so this is there. One sec. Course okay, so this course added is a reference back. Okay, so we will go to our tags. I don't know, caps has been done. Tags will go, and think we missed something here earlier, or we will create it now. So how to select those tags and all these things we have not done. So use effect like selected, not selected, it is set selected tags and empty array, and it will change if the key is changing. Then okay, so this tag change which is empty, we have to fill it. E const value equal to e dot target dot value and const already selected equal to selected tags dot includes value. Okay, if e dot target dot checked and then not of already selected, then set selected tags is dot 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 selected tags comma value. Okay, and then else if not of e dot target dot checked and already selected, then set selected tags is selected tags dot filter priv tag. So priv tag thing we are using, priv tag is priv tag not equal to value. Okay, and then here use effect and tags updated tags updated selected tags and comma selected tags comma tags updated. Okay, so everything is going back, so a lot of callback is been happening. Okay, okay, submitted course form, submitted course have been already required, submitted course have been already. Okay, I have done it earlier. User effect is not defined. Where user effect is not defined, tags the user effect is not defined because I always forget to do these things. User effect some more error, user effect is not defined. I just defined it. Why can't we have two user effect? Okay, so okay, I should not have closed it. I want some course now. Okay, let me do this one. This is also my course. Okay. I think component and link is something is wrong here. Okay. It's time to debug, which always happen in a live stream. So I know what is the issue here. I might have copy pasted it. So again, what is happening here? What's this thing? So name maybe. Okay, both of them are going. Yeah, definitely it is a issue. Something like HTML for name, text name, link. Okay. Save it. Front end mentor CHALENGE. The link will be, let's assume it is JavaScript. Then I'll submit it. And was it submitted? No, it was not submitted. And neither do I'm seeing anything. Okay. Okay, so a lot of debugging is to be done because I have not done the debugging earlier. So it is not working. And let us do the debugging now. So first thing which is not been shown is this to learn is not been shown. Okay, so what that means that anyways, inspect console. Do you have some error in the console? Loaded codes is assigned a value but is never been used. Where? app.js. Okay. Anyways, I don't need the loaded courses here. Loaded courses would be inside only. So courses is like this, and courses is like this, and const rest await the API, and all these things. API courses await, and set courses error. But where is the user effect? It is not been even called. Such a big mistake, blunder. Use effect I have to do. Because this load courses is not even been called, and it should be done only the first time. like component did mount. Let's see now. Even not it is using it will not give me error. Save it. No, 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 no. It is. Yeah. No, everything is coming. Now the gets are coming. All the get requests are coming. So now first thing is done. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to submit it. Again, front end mentor, and let us see that whether it is working or not. JavaScript. Let me do one thing. Inspect network console network submit console. That is a warning doesn't matter. No, it has not been sent. If it would have been sent, it would have come here. So it is not working. So now it's time to debug that. So course list is there, and we will again go back. So the course form will be called, okay, from here, and course added and load courses will be given to it. Course form will be called course added is there. Use state is there. Reset form is actually working fine. Submit course async API courses is there. Post is there. JSON stringify is okay. Reset form is okay. Course added is okay. What is this? Okay, course added is actually load course, it will call the load course, it will call when we will go to the course added. Okay, so this is a good thing which I'm doing. So course added is going back here. Okay, so after this submit course is there. Okay, and it is going to course added, but this console.log is also there. If it is running well, this console.log should also come. Okay, card, add a new course. Submit course is okay. Submit course is okay. Name, control, set name. Tags updated is this. Set tags, key count, button primary is okay. So this should work actually. So because we did a post from there also, and we were not able to do it. Okay, so we did a post from there also. Okay. So the thing is that this post is not working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a part 2 because I'm going to debug it, and what I'm seeing, it's already more than 2 hours. It's almost 2 hours. So I'll do a part 2 tomorrow for this. Okay, because there are something more are remaining here. So first thing first, which is remaining, is the this things I have to fix. Post is working from Postman, but it is not working from there, so I have to check it out why it is not working. So I'll check it out, and then the next thing is that what I need to check out is the put request, and the put request I have to do, delete request I have to do. So put and delete we have to do. Okay, put and delete we have to do. Okay, is it going here? No, anyway, it is the list courses. It is the mark course purchased and delete course. Okay, so anyways, so this mark course purchase and delete course, this also we have to do it from here. So this thing we are going to do. So a lot of this is working. So after this, what we are going to do, what we are going to do after this, and my phone was ringing. Sorry. Okay, so after this, those three things we are going to do: this post, put, delete, and we have to add this to Netlify also. So that is one of the thing also, so that we have to add this to Netlify also. So this Netlify will add, and because all of this thing we have used Netlify functions a lot, so we have to do that. So after that, okay, so with this I am ending the stream, and I will see tomorrow at 9:15 p.m. I'm going to do it, 9:15 p.m. as usual. So 9:15 p.m. I'll do the stream. So let me close it. Hope you like the stream. It was almost 2 hours and we almost completed it. A little bit of functioning is remaining, and that I will do tomorrow. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these videos, these big videos. So please do subscribe to my channel. I'm working really hard on the channel, and thank you again.